Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new Alpinestars WR-1 V2 Gore-Tex winter gloves. Okay, the WR-1 V2 retail for $149.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos for price changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's start off with sizing. I wear a 2X in most common gloves out there. That's what I have on right now. And I have to tell you, out of the bag, this is a winter glove, and this is a pretty heavy-duty winter glove. You feel it a little bit. This one's going to take a little bit of break-in, but for what they are, they're comfortable, and I would say they run true to size. Use that in combination with their size chart to help choose the right size for yourself. Breaking down the product, we've got a combination of materials here, right? This is a purpose-built cold weather riding glove that has a Gore-Tex membrane. Gore-Tex is the best of the best windproofing, the best breathability, and the breathability is really the magic part that keeps the glove comfortable for the long rides, right? It allows the best exchange of heat and moisture, right? So they don't get really clammy inside the glove. We have a combination of leather and soft shell materials. You can see here on the back of the hand, we have plenty of reflectives. There is a little finger bridge, right? It's not a race style finger bridge where it's up higher, but it's a little bit lower, and you have a nice layer of leather here. That is the impact zone, right? Keeps the glove a little more safe if you happen to have a tip over. It has touchscreen compatibility here on the index finger as well as the thumb. Give you a look at the palm, and they do have that motion panel like we've seen in a lot of the Alpinestars gloves the last couple of seasons. This really started with their race gloves, and what this does, when you have your hands on the bars, you're right here, you're putting your weight on the bar like that. That stretch panel, instead of really pulling on the glove, right, and making it more difficult to get your control fingers out there, it just allows the glove to move with you and not fight the rider. We have an overlay here in the palm area. This has got quite a bit of grip to it, right? It's going to make it easier to stay in contact with the bike when it's cold out and everything's just kind of slippery, right? You go out riding in the wintertime, it's not like the grips don't feel the same way they would in the summer. We have a Clarino overlay here in the palm, and underneath that, there is like a piece of armor. It says Nucleon, so I would imagine that's like a sliver of their Nucleon armor that you see in all of their garments out there. Entry and exit. We have a safety strap here at the wrist, and here is the cuff. And let's try and give you an idea of how large that is. It's important to some. So you can get it over your jacket. There is plenty of adjustment provided here with Velcro. Nice little grip panel there, Alpinestars logo right there. It's good looking textured leather panel right there at the back of the wrist, protecting the thumb. We have some leather here surrounded by that soft shell. Underneath there is a layer of foam to help protect the knuckle in the thumb. All in all, this is meant for cold riding too. We have 80 grams of Primaloft insulation on the back of the hand. That's the area that's the most exposed to the elements, okay? And that Primaloft is some pretty high-end stuff that has proven to be very effective. You don't have to have a ton of it for the glove to be really warm. And then they're using a different material on the palm and fingers. On the inside, 60 grams, a little bit thinner so you have more feel on the motorcycle, right? This glove is meant for cold riding, not snowmobiling, but cold motorcycle riding. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.